Hello students, welcome back to maths class. In this video, we will see the solutions of question number 1st and 2nd of exercise 11.1 of class 8. Question number 1 is a square and a rectangular field with measurement are given in the figure. Okay, here we have square figure and here we have rectangle figure. Its measurement is given with the figure. Have the same perimeter. The perimeter of square is exactly equal to the perimeter of rectangle. Which field has a larger area? What we need to find? We need to simply find which field, square field or rectangle field, which field has a larger area. So here you can simply see the side of square. The side of square is 60 meter. So from side of square we can simply take the area of square, side into side. But in case of rectangle, here we only have the length. The length of rectangle, which is 80 meter. But for taking the area of rectangle, one thing is missing, which is breadth. Which is missing. So first of all, we will find the breadth of the rectangle. So that will be get from one line which is telling in the question that the same perimeter. The perimeter of square is equal to perimeter of rectangle. So according to question, we see perimeter of square is exactly equal to perimeter of rectangle, and perimeter of square is 4 into side. Okay, so length into breadth is 80. 80 into 40 will be give us 3200 meter square. This 3200 meter will compare with 3600. You can simply see 3600 is the greater. So 3600 is the area of square. It means square field has a larger area. So this is the solution of first question of exercise 11.1. Now we will go with question number 2. Question number 2 is Mrs. Kaushik has a square plot with the measurement as shown in the figure. Here we have a square plot and its measurement is 20 meter with 25 meter. She wants to construct a house in the middle of the plot. At exactly middle, she wants to construct the house. Okay. A garden is developed around the house, and around the house, all over the boundary of the house, she wants to develop garden. Find the total cost of developing a garden around the house at the rate of rupees 55 per meter square. She wants to develop garden and the cost of developing a garden is rupees 55 per meter square. So first of all, we need to find what is the area of garden. Okay, simply you can see this is the total plot, whole plot, which is having the length is 20 meter and breadth is 25 meter. You can simply see according to measurement, the plot is not the square, it is rectangle. So this 20 we are converting into 25. This side is also 25 meter, this side is also 25 meter. In the book this measurement is given wrong, so here we have 25 meter. Now we have the square plot which is 25 meter having each side, and in the middle we have a house whose measurement is 20 meter and 15 meter. So what we will do? We will simply get the whole area of plot, then we will get the whole area of house, and for getting the area of garden we will subtract the area of house from the area of plot. Okay, for getting the area of garden we will subtract area of house from area of plot. So firstly we are taking for the plot. Square plot is here. It means the side of square plot is 25 meter. So that the area of square plot is side into side. So on the place of side we will put 25 multiply by 25. 25 into 25, when we do, it will give us 625 meter square. Okay, now here we taken the area of plot. Now we need to take the area of house. So for the house, its length is 20 meter and its breadth is 15 meter. So that area of house is length into breadth. Length is 20 and breadth is 15. 20 into 15 is 300 meter square. Now we taken both the things, area of plot and area of house. So we can easily get the area of garden. Area of garden is area of plot minus area of house. Area of plot is 625 meter square and area of house is 300 meter square. 625 minus 300 will give us 325 meter square. Now from that we can easily get the cost of developing a garden. We see cost of developing garden, developing 1 meter square garden is rupees 55, but we need to develop 325 meter square garden. So this rupees 55 will multiply by 325 and it will give us 17,875 rupees. So cost of developing 325 meter square garden is rupees 17,875 rupees. So here we completed question number 2 solution. Remaining question solution we will see in the next video.